Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious one-pot lamb stew. So first I'll begin by seasoning 400 grams of diced lamb. I'm just going to be seasoning it with some sea salt and black pepper. Then I add enough plain flour to make sure that each piece of lamb is coated. Now that's done, I'll set the lamb to one side for a minute and prepare the vegetables. So I've peeled and I'll roughly chop one large carrot. So I've got some Swede here and I'm going to be using a little less than half. After I've finished peeling, I'll just get that roughly chopped. I've got 5 shallots peeled and I'm just going to roughly chop those. Under a high heat, I'm adding a couple of tablespoons of oil to a heavy base pan. Brown the lamb in 2 batches, making sure all sides are nice and brown. I'll set my brown pieces of lamb to one side in a bowl. In the same pan, I'll turn the heat down a little and start browning my shallots. After about 5 minutes, the shallots are nice and brown and soft, and I'm going to add 2 fluid ounces of dry white wine, and this will lift all the sediments off the bottom. It smells so good. Now that the wine is reduced, I'll add the chopped Swede and diced carrot. I'm also adding 1 chopped celery stick. Then in goes my 4 cloves of chopped garlic. I'll allow that to cook out for a couple of minutes before adding half a teaspoon of dried thyme. Also add a big pinch of dried rosemary. And in goes 3 bay leaves. Next I'll add all of the lamb to the pot. To 1 stock cube I'm going to add 1.5 pints of boiling water. I'm going to turn the heat up so that it boils for a few minutes before reducing the heat to a simmer. Once it starts to boil, I'll place the lid on and reduce the heat to a simmer. I check in after half an hour of cooking, give a quick stir and place the lid back on. I'm checking in again. It's been an hour in total now, and as you can see, the sauce is lovely and thick and the lamb pieces are nice and tender. So I'm just going to remove the bay leaves. Now I'm just going to add a couple of handfuls of frozen garden peas. I'll pop the lid back on and allow to cook for a further 5 minutes. Once the peas have warmed through after 5 minutes, I check my seasoning again, remove from the heat and serve. I'm having mine with some crispy roasted potatoes. Of course, it would be delicious with some buttery mashed potatoes as well. And there it is, so easy and simple, one-pot lamb stew. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.